Hobby, please listen to me. Hobby, what happened, Cookie? And don't run. You know now, if Young see you running, then what will he do? Cook, sit on the couch. He will punish me. Hobby, do you want punishment? Cook, no. Hobby, then don't run and sit here quietly. Cook, can I go outside? Please, I will be back soon, I promise. Hobby, while looking into his file. But with women only. Cook, sad pout. They can't go outside with me. Hobby, why? Cook, they got low marks in tests, so June Yang is punishing them. Hobby, my poor babies. And what about you? Raised his one eyebrow. Cook, I got full marks, so I am safe today. Cold voice, what's happening here? Cook looked at him and immediately stood up. Good evening, Yoongi Yang. Yoongi sat on the couch. Good evening. What were you talking about? Cook, scared. I ran to kitchen. I will bring water for you. Yoongi, why did he run like this? Didn't he remember that he can't allow to run? Hobby, it's okay, Yang. Don't be angry. Nothing will happen to him by this much running. Yoongi, I know that, but then also he shouldn't run. Hobby, he ran away because he is scared from you. Yoongi, scared from me, but why? Hobby, because you always scold him. Yoongi, I scold him for some reason. He always want to run here and there just like a bunny. He doesn't scare from you all, so I have to strict with him. Cook came back with water and gave to him. Hyang, water. Yoongi took the glass from his hand, gulped the water, and Cook hid himself behind Hobby. Why did you run? Cook completely hid himself behind Hobby. Sorry. Yoongi, little loud, first come out from Hobby and tell me. Cook looked at Hobby with teary eyes. Sorry. Yoongi, you won't listen to me, right? See, Jungkook, don't force me to drag you here. Cut off. Cookie, come here and help me. Cook immediately ran to kitchen without looking at Yoongi, who was still glaring at him. Yoongi rubbed his forehead. See, Hobby, he again ran from here. Hobby, he's just a baby. He doesn't understand anything. Leave him. And cut off by painful screamings. No, please. I promise I will score. No, not by this, please. Yoongi, why are they screaming like this? Hobby, Cookie said women got less marks in the test, so June was punishing them. Yoongi, what happened to them? Why don't they want to study? I will talk to them. Left to his room to freshen up. Hobby to himself, today nobody can save women from Yoongi Yang. Meanwhile, with Cook, he immediately ran to kitchen and saw a tall man who has broad shoulder was cooking the food. He immediately went to him and hugged him tightly. Cook back hugged him. Jinny Yangi. Jin, why are you crying? Cook broke the hug and looked at him. How did you know I was crying? Jin wiped his tears. Because I'm your Jinny Yangi. I know everything about you. Cook sat on the kitchen counter. That's true. Jinny Yangi, can I ask a question? Jin, while cooking. Cook, why does Yoongi Yang always look scary? Jin, because he's like this from childhood. You know, when he was born, nurse told us, congratulations, you got a scary child. Cook burst into laughter. Jinny Yangi, you are too funny. Jin smiled to see his laughing face. Always smile like this. Only smile soars on your face, not tears. Cook picked the carrot and started eating. You know, Jinny Yangi is punishing Minnie Yangi and Titi Yangi. Jin, I can hear the screamings. Cook, Jinny Yangi, why does Jinny Yangi need to be this much strict? Jin, Because discipline is also important, they must be did something mistake. That's why John is punishing them. We don't wanna punish any of you, but if we won't punish you on your mistake, then you won't learn your lesson. Cook. But then also it hurts, na. Jin, it hurts. That's why you won't repeat your mistake. Now tell me, why did Yoongi scold you? Cook. Yoongi Yang saw me running and he got angry, said with sad pouty face. Jin, baby, whatever we did for your own benefit, you know na, you can't run. That's why Yoongi is getting angry on you. Cook. But why? Jin, because you aren't well. You have to be careful towards your health. Cook. I'm fine, Yangi. Jin, go and fill the water bottles. Everyone just drink the water and left. No one wanna fill it. Wisely changed the topic. Cook jumped down from the kitchen counter. Utti! About to run. Jin, don't run. If Yoongi sees you, then you're gone. Cook walked slowly. No, see, I'm walking. I'm not running. Jin looked at him and smiled. Yeah. Time skipped at the dinner time. Jin was setting the table with the help of Hobie. Cook was hiding himself behind Jin because Yoongi was talking with someone on the call. Soon Jun arrived there with women and sat on their respective places. Jin, while serving the food, June, what happened? You are looking stressed. June angrily looked at women, asked to them, Jin, Minnie, Titi, what did you do now? T looked down. I'm sorry, Hang. June, is this the answer of his question? T shook his head vigorously. Sorry. Jimin, Hyang, we couldn't understand the topic which was Chun Hyang explained at least 10 times and got less marks. That's why Chun Hyang is angry. Jin, Minnie, Titi, you shouldn't. Yoongi, deep voice, why couldn't you understand the topic? Looked at June, doesn't he teach you well? June, maybe Hyang. T shook his head vigorously. No, Hyang. Yoongi looked at women. Then Jimin, we were. Yoongi strictly. One more time you shudder, then you will be on the floor. Jimin gulped hard. We weren't in mood to study. Jin, what was this tea, Minnie? Women looked down. Sorry, Hang. Yoongi, you both started taking advantage of June. Do you think he doesn't has any other work rather than teaching you same topic again and again? Women shook their head vigorously. No, Hyang. Yoongi, don't worry. I know how to handle you two. I want you two in my room with your bags. Do you get it? Women looked at June with puppy eyes. Hyang. June melted by their puppy eyes. Hyang, I already punished them hard. Now they won't dare to repeat their mistake. Leave it. Yoongi, June, don't interfere between us. I will handle them. Looked at Cook, who was behind Jin. And you, Cook, come here. Cook shook his head vigorously and hid himself behind Jin and tightly grabbed his t-shirt. Jin, Yoongi, first have your dinner. Yoongi, Hyang, don't try to change the topic. Jin, when did I try to change the topic? I was saying this because if food will get cold, then I have to reheat them again, said innocently. Yoongi, Hyang, I know you very well. Grabbed Cook's arm and made him stand in front of him. And you, young man, if I ever see you running, I will tie shackles around your feet. Then you can't even walk properly. Cook hugged Jin's face tightly and not wanting to leave him at any cost. Jin hugged him back. Jin started stroking his back. Yoongi, what rubbish are you talking? He is our brother, not any prisoner whom you tied in shackles. To Cook, nah baby, he is only scaring you. Yoongi, I'm not giving any false warning. I already ordered 2 pairs of shackles. See this? Showed him his mobile. Cook looked at his mobile, then again hugged Jin tightly. Jinny Yangi. Yoongi, now dare to run again. Cook, no, I won't run. Yoongi, it's good for you. Looked at T, who was putting all the veggies in Hobie's plate. T, I'm watching you. Finish your food with veggies. T, I already had all the veggies. See? Showed him his plate. Yoongi, do you think I'm fool? Hobie, don't you dare to eat veggies. Give your plate to T. T, wait, I already ate my food. I don't wanna eat more. My tummy is full. Yoongi, wait, let me bring my belt. T started eating. No, see, I'm eating. No need to bring belt. Cook mumbles to Jin's ear. Yoongi Yangi is looking scary. Can we eat somewhere else, please? Jin whispered to him, no, baby, we can't go anywhere. Let's quickly finish your food, then we can go from here, okay? They all quickly ate their dinner. June went to sleep as he has the habit to sleep early. Yoongi left to his room with women. Hopi went to clean the dishes. Cook was in his room with Jin. Name Kim Shiko Jin, age 26 years old, profession managing director, MD, but handles everything by home because Cook needs someone. Name Kim Yoongi, age 25 years old, profession CEO at Kim Company. Name Kim Ho-suk, age 24 years old, profession manager at Kim Company. Name Kim Namjoon, age 24 years old, twin of Hobie, profession legal advisor of the Kim family. Name Kim Jimin, age 20 years old, profession management student. Name Kim Taeyang, age 20 years old, twin of Jimin, profession management student. Name Kim Jong-kook, age 17 years old, profession high school student. He is apple of the eye of Hyang's. Everyone loves him so much. He has asthma. That's why he isn't allowed to do normal things like others. That's why everyone behaves strictly with him. But he wanna live his life like normal people. He wanna run, play football, eat junk food, do lots of mischiefs. But he isn't allowed to do that. Yang shifted their home from the city to the forest area so that he can get fresh air. Nature helps him to recover. They built their house according to their needs. Here everything available, but they struggled a lot. They have to drive 15 km plus to reach at their school, university, company, but they were happily ready to do anything for their matinee. Cook doesn't know anything about his young sacrifices. After all, he is just a kid who wanna fly on the open sky. Arthur's point of view. Right now, Cook was sitting on the balcony and looking outside because Jin sent him to take fresh air. He looked at the sky, which was filled with stars, and said, Cook, when will I visit the world? Why don't I allow to go outside? Indeed, I love Hangs and they also love me so much, but I wanna go outside. My all the friends go outside and have fun, but here is me who didn't even see city's lifestyle. I'm only allowed to go school and that too with Minnie and Titi Yangi. He slept on the swing while talking with Moon. After some time, Jin who came there to feed him his medicine and found him sleeping peacefully there. Hobie, Yang, he already slept. Jin lovingly stroking his hairs, due to fresh air. Hobie, Yang, he wanna go outside. Jin, I know that. He wanna live normal life. He wanna do normal things like other kids. I know everything. I can understand his feelings, but he can't allow him to do that. His lungs aren't strong to bear city's polluted air. He will be feeling suffocated there. That's why we are living here. He is baby now. By the age, he will understand everything. He will understand why will we put so many restrictions on him. Hobie. But Yang, what if he started heating with us then? Jin, for me his life is more important than heat. This is the only way to keep him healthy and we have to do everything which will be important for his health. Hobby, yes, Yang, but I feel like we are catching him. Jin, but at least he is alive now. I know we aren't fully right, but we are doing our best to protect him. Hobby, Yang, he is sleeping so peacefully. Can we skip the medicine for today? Jin, are you out of your mind? Don't you know how much medicine is important for him? Move aside, let me wake him up. Gently shook him. Baby, Cookie, wake up. Cook, turn to this side. 5 minutes more, Yangi, please. Jin smiled. Baby, I'm not waking you up for the school. You forgot to eat your medicine. Eat it quickly, then you can sleep as much as you want. Okay? Now be a good boy and eat the medicine first. Cook, I don't want. Feed it to Yungi Hangi. Hobby, why Yungi Hang? Cook, because it's bitter na. Hobby smiled. He is thinking about Yungi Yang even in sleep too. Jin forcefully made him sit. Cookie, just gulp this medicine. Cook wins. Ah, I wanna sleep. Put the medicine in his mouth and quickly made him drink the water too. He gulped it. Ew, it's so bitter. Jin picked him in his arm and took him inside the room and made him sleep. It's okay, it will be fine soon. Now you can sleep. He lay down beside him and pulled him closer to himself and started stroking his hairs. Soon he again slept while hugging him tightly. Hobby, he already slept. Jin, he wasn't asleep now. Close the door when you go outside. Hobby, good night, Yang. Time skipped at the next day. Cook was waiting for women to pick him like as always. They were stuck in traffic. Cook was sitting on the football ground and watching others to play. He also wanna play, but he wasn't allowed. Suddenly football came to him and he picked the football and looked at others. Boy one, wanna play? Cook, yes, but my hands told me to not play football, so I can't play. Boy one, oh, so where is your hang? Cook, they are on the way, they will take some time. Boy one, till then come and play with us. Nobody gonna tell him anything. Cook, thanks for 2 minutes. Okay. He started playing with them. It was now 40 minutes since he was playing. He was enjoying so much. It was the first time when he played football. He was on cloud 9, but his happiness is very short. Women came there and saw him playing football. They became so angry. Jimin immediately went to him and held his ear and started dragging him. Cook got scared to see women. He started apologizing, but they didn't listen to him. Time skipped at the home. Jimin dragged him inside the living room and threw him on the couch. Jin wasn't there. He went to market to buy something. He called everyone to home but didn't tell them the reason. Jimin angrily, why did you play football, huh? Don't you know you aren't allowed to play it? Cook cried, sorry. T, what sorry? You know na, it's not good for your health. Jimin, tell me, how long were you playing? Cook, for 40 minutes. T, we didn't allow you to play for 2 minutes and here you played for 40 minutes. Raised his hand to slap him, but Jimin quickly held his hand. Jimin, what the hell are you doing? T, Minnie, just leave my hand. He won't understand our language. I have to make him understand in different language. Jimin looked at Cook. Go to your room. Cook immediately ran to his room. He is sharing the room with Jin because at night getting the chances of asthma attack is very high. At that time someone needs to be there with him. He lay down on the bed and started crying. Till now, nobody raised his hand on him because of fear of asthma. They punished him in different way, but today T raised his hand, which scared him a lot. Luckily, Jim stopped him at right time. Now he is crying and bubbling something. Cook, while crying, I only played football. Why are they this much angry? What's wrong? I do. Did I do this much big crime? Tite Angi was about to slap me. Why do they want me to cage? I'm not a pet. I'm a human being. Why are they snatching my freedom from me? Why? Soon his cries turned into anger and he angrily threw his all the inhalers outside of the house. He totally misunderstood his youngs. Time skipped after some times. Jin came to house and saw serious women in the living room but couldn't find cook. Jimin told him everything and now he is fuming in anger. They dragged Cook in the living room. Now Jin was questioning him but he wasn't responding him. Jin angrily, Cook, I'm asking something from you. Cook, certainly, I don't want to answer you. Jin, Cook, watch your behavior. Don't forget with whom you are talking. Cook, neither I am your pet nor you are my owner with whom I can talk nicely. You are just a controlling person, shouts. You all are controlling. I just hate you all. You want me to cage here in this house, but don't forget I am not your slave. Cut off by hard slap. Cook looked up. You, Yoongi, Hyang. Yoongi, shut up, just shut up. What rubbish are you talking about? How can you talk with a Hyang like this? Don't you know how to talk with elders? Cook shuddered. Ah, he isn't my Hyang. Yoongi, don't you dare to speak. This person left his entire work just to raise you and you are saying this? Raised his hand. Jin held his hand. Yoongi, what are you doing? Yoongi, Hyang, leave my hand. Let me teach him some lesson. Cook got a asthma attack. I started facing breathing problems. Jin immediately held him. Cook, what happened to you? Started rubbing his back to smoothen his breath. Hobie, T, bring the inhaler. T, give him inhaler. Hyang, here. Jin opened it. Cookie, baby, take the inhaler. Cook pushed it. Don't. June forcefully tried to give him inhaler. Hyang, it's empty. Jin, what? Jimin, bring it from my room. Last week I brought 2 inhalers. Jimin immediately went to his room, but he couldn't get inhaler anywhere. From where he got inhaler when he threw them outside? Jimin, Hyang, inhalers aren't in your room. I searched them everywhere. Cook, I threw. June, what? You threw them outside? Yoongi, we have to take him hospital. Hyang, let's go. We shouldn't late. With that, they took him into the hospital. Yoonjin, Cook in one car and rest of them in another car. Time skipped at the hospital. Cook regained his consciousness. He is out of danger now. He was sitting and Hyangs were looking at him. He looked down because he was feeling guilty. Jin went to him and sat beside him. Jin carefully held his hand in his hands. Cookie, baby, that's why we stopped you to play football. You have asthma. If you play any outdoor game, then it will be worse. You just got asthma attack. Did you feel how much dangerous it is? Cook slowly nodded his head. Hobie, that's why we shifted to our house to forest house so that you can take fresh air. June, we don't want to cage you, but we don't have any other option. Yoongi, just because you don't feel bad, women also left their friends and stayed at home. Jimin, for us your safety matters first. T, for you we can do anything. Jin, we just want to protect you. Your lungs are weak. That's why you can't live life like normal people. June, but see, we are with you, your family. You aren't alone. We will never treat you differently. Cook looked up with teary eyes. Will you hate me? Yoongi wiped his tears. Hate you? But why? Cook, because I am bad na. Hobie, who said this? My baby is so good. You never gave us any hard time. Cook hugged him tightly. Jinyangi, I'm sorry. I talked rudely with you. I'm sorry, everyone. Please forgive me. Yoongi hugged him too. It's okay. You understood your mistake. It's enough for us. Now don't cry. Everyone joined in hug. trust your family. They never take any wrong decision for you. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was a requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Thank you so much for 7k plus subscribers. Now we are 7k plus subscribers family. I hope our family keeps growing well in future too. Well, I already got my 7k's gift. What? I realized here is no one for you. So don't get close to other. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.